Check this out, guys. Check this out. Baby Dodge. Baby Dodge. It's just flying high. It's climbing. It's climbing. It keeps on climbing. Check out that momentum. Check out that incline. It's unbelievable. 24.9% up today. In the past 24 hours, it's up 43.6%. That is just unbelievable. That's amazing. And yeah, let's check out the tweets here. Everybody's going insane. Everybody's going crazy. Baby Dodge Army. Check out all the tweets here. Yeah, guys, if you haven't invested in Baby Dodge, it's not too late. It's still gonna gain a lot of momentum. I still believe it's still gonna do even. It's gonna still go up like 1,000%. I'm telling you now. So, guys, get in while it's hot, eh? Even when it's not, stay there. Keep on investing. Keep on buying in. Telling you, you won't regret it. If Elon Musk backs it, we all know he's got a reputation to protect. He won't let it drop. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.